honest travel guide. The quickest beach escape in the Algarve. If you are thinking of staying in Faro, this pros and cons guide reveals the truth. Welcome back to our Honest Travel Guide series. In this video 3, we're driving through Algarve's capital. Find out if Faro is just a boring stopover or a hidden holiday gem. Find out why staying near FARO Airport, you can save time and money. The answer depends entirely on how you want to spend your time. The pros: ultimate convenience and fast sunshine. Let's start with the biggest pro. FARO is the ultimate short break destination. If you're looking for a quick, affordable, and sunny weekend getaway, the FARO area might be perfect for a quick sun and sea fix. In just 3 days and 2 nights, you can fly in cheaply to escape the rainy, foggy, northern European weather. Welcome to Driving Algarve YouTube channel. Here you can watch lots of videos of the Algarve, Portugal. Please, give a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Next, the cons. What FARO is not. The best part. You are just 5 minutes away from Praia de Faro beach, or the city center, once you leave the airport. This beach is not like those in the Eastern Algarve previous videos. There is a brand new bridge, parking available, and a regular bus service. But limited parking space on the beach during summer months and weekends. Whether you grab a taxi or call an Uber, there is zero wasted travel time. You can choose to stay right on the beach, in the village of Montenegro near the airport, or in the heart of the city. Compare to taking a bus, minivan, or train, to enjoy the beaches of other cities like Tavira, Albufeira, or Lagos. The cons: what FARO is not. But let's be honest. Staying in FARO for a short trip means making some compromises. You won't have time to visit those famous, rocky western beaches, nor will you experience massive nightlife hubs, long queues for dinner in the high season, or endless resort entertainment and live music bars. If you are looking for the famous panoramic cliffs, golden rock formations, grottos, and hidden caves, you will not find them in FARO. Those are located further west, near cities like Lagos, Carvoeiro, Armosar de Pera, and Albufeira. Of course, if you stay a full week or longer, you can easily take trains, express buses, or guided tours to visit those areas on a day trip. Next, FARO might be right for you. Keep watching please. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up icon below and share it in your social network. To be notified of other videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. FARO is much quieter, similar in that regard to Oliao and Tavira, which we covered in video 1 and video 2 of this series. Links are in the description. But Praia de Faro is not like the beaches you saw in those videos. Deep dive. FARO might be right for you. FARO is completely different from the rest of the Algarve. Keep watching to find out all the details about what you will get here. And let me know in the comments if you think the Algarve's capital is a boring stopover or a hidden gem. YouTube channel at Driving Algarve is already covering the whole Algarve in more than 300 videos. Click the links in the description to watch some of them. Please comment, give a like and subscribe. Thanks. This is not a promotional guide. It's the reality. FARO and the Eastern Algarve is not the area of cliffs, rock formations, beautiful panoramic photos. Here is what makes FARO special. You get unbeatable airport convenience and easy access via ferry or aquataxi to stunning island beaches like FAROL, DESERTA, and Culatra. And to Praia de Faro too. These aren't your typical crowded tourist beaches. They are wild, spacious, and pristine. And the best part is that there's no need to go up and down long stairs. You can also book unforgettable, relaxing guided cruises through the stunning Ria Formosa Natural Reserve, which is an absolute paradise for nature lovers and bird watchers. Next, FARO's massive annual events. Keep watching, please. Culture, history and unique attractions. If you love culture, FARO delivers authentic Portuguese life. Imagine having dinner while listening to live fado singers, Portugal's famous, soulful traditional music. As you walk through the city, you'll discover beautiful sculptures, like the tribute to the folk group of FARO, or the Adentro people. History buffs cannot miss Vila Adentro, the historic old town. Walk through the ancient gates, visit the 13th century cathedral, and climb up to the bell tower for a breathtaking view of the city and the marshlands. As you walk along Rua Santo Antonio Street, you can admire the beautiful designs in the pavement. And for something truly unique, and a bit spooky, make sure to visit the famous bone chapel, Capilla dos Jesus, inside the Carmo Church. FARO's massive annual events. FARO also knows how to host a crowd. Since 1982, during the third week of July, the Moto Club de FARO is organizing near the airport, the world-famous motorcycle concentration of FARO. Recognized by the International Motorcycling Federation, this event draws up to 35,000 bikers from all over Europe for 3 days of concerts, an incredible atmosphere. I've left a link to the Grand Sunday Parade in the description. Food and daily vibe. Another huge pro is the food scene. Unlike tourist-heavy towns where menus are translated into 5 languages and prices are inflated, FARO offers genuine local prices. You can sit down at a traditional restaurant among local residents and enjoy the freshest catch of the day. From grilled sardines to the famous cataplana, a rich seafood stew native to the Algarve. The vibe here is local, authentic, and relaxed. August brings the international folk festival, known as FolkFaro. For a full week, the city centre comes alive with folk groups from all over the world, showcasing their beautiful traditional dances and costumes. Next, conclusion and verdict. Keep watching, please. YouTube channel at Driving Algarve is already covering the whole Algarve in more than 300 videos. Click the links in the description to watch some of them. Please comment, give a like and subscribe. Thanks. This is not a promotional guide. It's the reality. FARO and the Eastern Algarve is not the area of cliffs, rock formations, beautiful panoramic photos. Conclusion and verdict. To wrap it up, FARO's main beach is about 10 kilometers away, but the airport is just 6. This urban town has a lot to enjoy if you know what to expect. It offers a different kind of holiday, one spent among locals, eating fresh fish, and cruising through a natural park. But perhaps, you won't like this destination if none of this applies to you. See you in the next episode of our Honest Driving Algarve Guide series. It will be about the top luxury destinations in the Algarve, and the beaches of Quinta do Lago, Garau, Vale do Lobo, and Quarteira. Thanks for watching until the end. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up icon below, and share it in your social network. To be notified of other videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.